There comes a moment in life when you realize a simple truth that some people only respect you when you stop bending for them. And the day you stop lowering yourself is the day you take your power back. There's a quiet strength that does not shout chase or beg, it stays calm, steady, and unbothered. And it comes from knowing your worth. Many people learn the hard way that shrinking themselves never made anyone love them more, it only made them invisible. Stoic wisdom teaches first and never apologize. For having standards, lowering your boundaries does not bring love, it invites disrespect. Your standards protect your peace, and the people who are upset by them are often the ones who benefited when you had none. Second, never trade your peace for someone else's chaos. You are not responsible for their emotions, moods, or problems. Real strength is protecting your inner calm, even if that means distance. Third, stop proving yourself to people who do not care. Trying to earn validation from the wrong people drains your energy and weakens your identity. If someone cannot see your value, no amount of effort will change that. Focus on your own path. Give your time to those who respect you and bring peace, because you are not here to convince others of your worth. You are here to become your best self. Lesson 4 teaches you to walk away with dignity, even when it hurts, because sometimes the strongest move is leaving without anger, revenge, or bitterness, just silence. Silence means you finally understand your value does not need permission. Walking away is not weakness, it is clarity. It is realizing that suffering is not loyalty and mistreatment is not love. Choosing silence means choosing peace, healing, and self-respect. Even though it hurts, that pain is not lost, it is space being made for something better. Lesson 5 reminds you to become someone you are proud of. Life feels lighter when you stop lowering yourself to fit the world and start raising yourself to match your purpose. You stop chasing approval, stop explaining your worth, and start living with intention. The Stoics believe true strength is character, not status or appearance. This is your moment to let go of accepting too little and step into growth where you choose yourself and rise quietly with calm, controlled strength, of power that cannot be taken because it was built, not given. And let this be a reminder, you do not need to shrink for anyone, dim your fire, or earn respect. You are allowed to walk away, set standards, protect your peace, and choose yourself, because when you do, life begins to treat you the way you treat yourself.